Good morning, students. In last session, we saw the example depending on the concept matrix multiplication. Also, we verified certain result LHS is equal to RHS. So, this is also similar type of question, important question for 5 marks. Okay. What they given here? They given the matrix A of the 3 by 3, B of the matrix 3 by 3 and C of the matrix 3 by 1. So what is the question, students? Calculate AC, BC, A into C and a B into C, and also A plus B into C. Verify that A plus B into C equals to AC plus BC. Okay. First, find the AC into BC, students. Okay. So A into C. What is the matrix here? A 0 6 7 minus 6 0 8 7 minus 8 0 into the matrix C. What is the matrix C? 2 minus 2 and 3. So whether the product AC is defined or exists or not, how to know that one? The matrix A is 3 by 3 matrix and matrix C is 3 by 1 matrix. So the number of columns of the matrix A is equals to number of rows of the matrix C. Therefore, AC, the product AC is defined or exists. So what is the next? The result of AC is of the order 3 by 1. Okay, 3 by 1. So let us calculate the value. AC equals to first row with first column element. 0 into 2, 0, 6 into minus 2, minus 12, 7 into 3, plus 21. First row, first column element over. Second row, first column, minus 6 into 2, minus 12, 0 into minus 2, that is 0, 8 into 3, that is 24. Okay. And next, 7 into 2, 14. Minus 8 into minus 2 plus 16, 0 into 3, that is 0. What is the result of the product AC, students, here? Minus 12. Okay. What is the product of AC? Minus 12 plus 21, that is 9. Minus 12 plus 24 plus 12. Next, 14 plus 16, that is 30. Okay, take it as equation number 1. Next, we have to find the result BC here, students. B into C. What is the matrix B? Is 0 1 1 1 0 2 1 2 0. And the column matrix 2 minus 2 and 3. This is the BC. So what would be the result of this one? It is the 3 by 1 matrix again, because B is the matrix of the 3 by 3 and C is the matrix of 3 by 1. So we will get the 3 by 1 matrix here. So what is the result? 0 into 2, 0. 1 into minus 2, minus 2. 1 into 3 plus 3. Okay, 1 into 2, 2. 0 into minus 2, 0. 2 into 3 plus 6. 1 into 2, 2. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. 0 into 3 is 0. What is the result here, students? BC minus 2 plus 3, that is plus 1. 2 plus 6, 8. 2 minus 4 minus 2. This is equation number 2. Okay. Now calculate A plus B. So already AC plus BC, sorry, AC and BC are obtained. Okay. Huh? So just rub it up. Will not mention this one. Now what is AC plus BC value, students? So what is the AC? 9, 12, 30. That is column matrix 9, 12 and 30 plus the product BC has the column matrix 1, 8 minus 2. So what is the result, students? Here AC plus BC is equals to column matrix 9 plus 1, that is 10, 12 plus 8, that is 20, 30 minus 2, that is 28. Take it as equation number 1 here, students. Got the point? How it obtained? Okay, 10, 20, 28. RHS side is obtained. Now what you have to do? You have to find the A plus B into C. Okay, A plus B into C. Just observe the thing here, students. So A plus B into C. First find A plus B. What is the result? 0, 6, 7 minus 6, 0, 8, 7 minus 8, 0 plus 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0. So what is the result here, students? 0 plus 0, that is again 0. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, that is 8. First two elements are over. Next, minus 6 plus 1, that is minus 5. 0 plus 0, that is 0. 8 plus 2, that is 10. Second two elements are over. 7 plus 1, that is 8. Minus 8 plus 2, minus 6. 0 plus 0, that is 0. A plus B is obtained now. What is the next condition? A plus B into C you have to obtain. What is the A plus B? It is 0, 7, 8. Minus 5, 0, 10. 8 minus 6, 0. And C, that is 2, minus 2 and 3. So result, students, here. First row with first column, 0 into 2, that is 0. 7 into minus 2, that is minus 14. 8 into 3, that is plus 24. Minus 5 into 2, minus 10. 0 into minus 2, that is 0. 10 into 3, plus 30. Next, 8 into 2, 16. Minus 6 into minus 2, plus 12. 0 into 3, that is 0. So what is the result here, students? A plus B into C. So minus 14 plus 24, that is 10. Minus 10 plus 30 plus 20. 16 plus 12, that is 28. This is equation number 2. So just observe the equation number 1 and equation number 2. Okay, what they asked? AC and BC we find, and here in the result AC plus BC is there, so we find the AC plus BC value, that is the result 1. And also they ask for the A plus B into C. A plus B into C, we obtained that one, and we have to verify this result. Observe the equation number 1 and 2. Okay, therefore from 1 and 2 we have A plus B into C equal to AC plus BC. This is the result what you have verified. Okay, just note down, friends. Okay, next important question, students. It is for 5 marks question. Okay, If A equals to 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 3 by 3 matrix is given. Then show that, what we have to show here, A cube minus 23A minus 40I is equals to 0. Okay, so A cube means you have to multiply the matrix A thrice. That is, first A into A, you will get the A square. Then multiply A into A square, you will get the A cube. Okay. Next, 23A. What is that? Already they given the matrix A. You have to multiply 23 with each element of that matrix. That obtained result or the obtained matrix is of the value 23A. Next, minus 40I is there. What is I here? I is the identity matrix or a unit matrix. Of what order you have to take here? Simple, students. The what is the given value or given order of the matrix A is there? No. Same order you have to consider for the identity matrix. Okay. If A is here, okay, in the given equation or the given problem, A is 3 by 3 matrix. So I is also 3 by 3 matrix. If given matrix A is 2 by 2, then you have to consider I also 2 by 2 matrix itself, not other than that. Okay. So let us start the question, students. A into A. First find the A square, because we can't find the A cube directly. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. Again A, 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. So A square, the matrix A square is of the value 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 3, 6, 3 into 4, 12, 12 plus 6 plus 1, that is 19. First result, I am writing directly here, students. Next, first row with second column element, 1 into 2, 2, 2 into minus 2, minus 4, 3 into 2, 6, 6 minus 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 4. Next, 1 into 3, 3, 2 into 1, 2, 3 plus 2, 5, 3 into 1, 3. So 5 plus 3, that is 8. Easy calculation is there, sir. I am writing directly. 3 into 1, 3. Minus 2 into 3, minus 6. It becomes 3 minus 6, minus 3, minus 3 plus 4. 1 into 4 plus 4, that is 1. Okay. And next, 3 into 2, 6. Minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. 6 plus 4, 10. 1 into 2. That is 2. 10 plus 2, that is 12. Next, 3 into 3, 9. Minus 2 into 1, minus 2. 9 minus 2 plus 7. 1 into 1, 1. So 7 plus 1, that is 8. Similarly, 4 into 1, 4. 2 into 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 1 into 4, 4. So 10 plus 4, 14. Next, 4 into 2, 8. 2 into minus 2, 4. 8 minus 4, 4. 1 into 2, 2. 4 plus 2, that is 6. Next, 4 into 3, 12. 4 into 2 into 1, 2. 12 plus 2, 14. 1 into 1. So 14 plus 1, that is 15. Okay, you got the A square value. So what is A cube? A cube equal to A into A square. What is A here? The given matrix 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 4, 2, 1. What is the A square value? 19, 4, 8. 1, 12, 8. 14, 6 and 15. So what is the result of A cube? That is also a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, just observe students here. 19 into 1, 19, 2 into 1, 2, 19 plus 2, 21, 14 into 3, okay, 42. So total value is 63, okay, 63. Similarly, next 1 into 4, 4, 2 into 12, 24, 6 into 3, 18. The total value is 46. 1 into 8, 8, 2 into 8, 16, 3 into 15, 45. The total value is 69. Next, 3 into 19, 57, minus 2 into 1, minus 2, 1 into 14, 14. So total value is 69. And 3 into 4, 12, minus 2 into 12, 24, minus 24, 1 into 6, 6. The total value is minus 6. And next, 3 into 8, 24, minus 2 into 8, minus 16, 1 into 15, that is 15. The total value is 23. Next, 4 into 19, okay, it is 6. 2 into 1, 2, 1 into 14, 14. So total value is 92. 4 into 4, 16, 2 into 12, 24, 1 into 6, 6. So total value is 46. Next, 4 into 8, 32, 2 into 8, 16, 1 into 15, 15. So total value is 63. Okay, so we obtained the first a square, then a cube as the a into a square, we got the a cube. Next thing is, friends, you have to consider the LHS part. Now LHS equal to a cube minus 23a minus 40i. Okay, what is a cube here, students? The 3 by 3 matrix: 63, 46, 69, 69 minus 6, 23, 92, 46, 63 minus 23 into the given matrix A, that is 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 4, 2, 1 minus 40 into what I said about the I value, the matrix, the given matrix, and the I is of the same order it should be. So A is the 3 by 3 matrix, I is also 3 by 3 matrix, identity matrix. So just see here, students, you have to prove that 0, that is a 0 matrix, not a single 0, that should be 0 matrix. So see here, students, 63, 46, 69. I will write the a cube as it is now. 69 minus 6, 23, 92, 46, 63 minus multiplying 23 with each element of the matrix A. 23 into 1, 23, 23 into 2, that is 46, minus 46, sorry, just 46, okay, 23 into 3, 69, 69. I am just multiplying 23, not a minus 23, okay, 23 into 3, 69, 23 into minus 2, minus 46, minus 46, 23 into 1, 23, 23 into 4, what is the value, students? 92, 23 into 2, 46, 23 into 1, 23, minus 40 into each value, just keep the minus as it is, 40 into 1, 40, 0, 0, 0, 0, 40, 0, 0, 0, 40. So this is the thing here, students. Just observe the value, students. 3 by 3 matrix, 3 by 3 matrix, 3 by 3 matrix. All the three are of the same order. We can add or make the difference of those kind of matrices. Okay, huh? So corresponding elements are going to be take the addition or a difference. So first element, first row, first element, 63 minus 23 minus 40. So plus 63 minus 23 minus 40, that becomes again 63. So 63 minus 63, that is 0. 46 minus 46 minus 0, that is 0. 69 minus 69 minus 0, that is 0. The first row elements are all 0. So 69 minus 69 minus 0, that is 0. Minus 6, okay, minus or minus, plus 46 minus 40. So minus 6 minus 40 minus 46 minus into minus plus 46, so you get the 0. Plus 23 minus 23 minus 0, it is 0. 92 minus 92, it is 0. 46 minus 46 minus 0, it is 0. Okay, got the point, students? 63 minus 23 minus 40, it is 63 minus 63, so it is 0, is nothing but 0, which is equal to RHS. This is the 5 marks questions, students. Little bit lengthy but important question. Okay, next problem, students. Exercise 3.2 problems here. Compute the indicated products. Okay, they given the 2 by 2 matrix into 2 by 2 matrix. Here 3 by 1 matrix into 1 by 3 matrix. Here 2 by 3 matrix into 3 by 2 matrix. Here 2 by 2 into 2 by 3 matrix. Okay, see here, students. A into A square, B into B plus B square. The first two element are first one element. Finished. A into minus B minus AB, B into A or AB or B plus AB. Next, minus B into A minus AB or BA, A into B plus AB, minus B into minus B plus B square, A into A plus A square. So here, students, minus AB plus AB, minus AB plus AB, they cancel. So what is the result here? A square plus B square, 0. 0, A square plus B square. Okay, here, students, just observe here, it is the 3 by 1 matrix, it is 1 by 3 matrix. So what is the result? 3 by 3 matrix will obtain, because number of columns of this matrix is equal to number of rows of the another matrix. So the result is 3 by 3 matrix. So that is first row with the first column element, 1 into 2 over 1 into 3. First row with the second column element, that is 3. 1 into 4, that is 4. The first row elements are over. Second row with each column of the second row with each column of the another matrix. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 4, 8. Next, third row with each column. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 4, that is 12. That is 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, no? Okay, simple, students. Again, it is the 2 by 3 matrix. It is 3 by 2 matrix. What is the result? Already this and this value both are equal. So you obtained 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, 3 into 2. First row with the first column. 3 into 2, 6. Minus 1 into plus 1, minus 1. 3 into 3, plus 9. 3 into minus 3, minus 9. Minus 1 into 0, 0. 3 into 1, plus 3. Okay. Minus 1 into 2. minus 2. 0 into 1, 0. 2 into 3, that is 6. Minus 1 into minus 3, plus 3. 0 into 0, plus 0. 2 into 1, plus 2. Okay. So the resultant matrix that equals to 6 minus 1 plus 9. 9 plus 6, that is 15. 15 minus 1, that is 14. Okay. 14. Minus 9 plus 3, minus 6. Minus 2 plus 6 plus 4. 3 plus 2, that is 5. 2 by 2 matrix obtained. Here it is a 2 by 2 matrix. It is a 2 by 3 matrix. So what is the resultant matrix here, students? 2 by 3. Okay. 1 into 1. 1. 2 by 3. 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay. 2 into 1. Minus 2 into plus 2. Minus 4. 1 into 2. 2. Minus 2 into 3. Minus 6. 1 into 3. 3. Minus 2 into 1. Minus 2. This is the first two elements are over. Okay. And next 1 into 2 into 1. 2. 3 into 2. 6. 2 into 2. 4. 3 into 3. 9. 2 into 3. 6. 3 into 1 second. 2 into 3. 6. 3 into 1 plus 3. So what is the result here, students? Minus 3. Minus 4. 1. 8. 13. And 9. This is the 2 by 3 matrix. Minus 3, minus 4, 1, 8, 13, 9. Okay. Take them, students. Okay. Next problem, students. If f of x equals to a matrix cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1. This is the given matrix. Show that f of x into f of y is equals to f of x plus y. Okay. F of x, yes, this is the given matrix. And how to write, or here is the f of y. This is the question, students. F of x is already given, but f of y is not here, or f of y function is also there, not defined. So just observe the thing here, students. In the first year you learned the function chapter. Okay. If given function f of x equal to x square, if you change x equal to k, so f of k equal to, it becomes k square. Wherever the x is there, you substitute x equal to k, so it is transferred. They transferred x to k. So f of x becomes f of k is equal to k square when x equal to k. So similarly, already f of x is here. Just replace x by y in the given function. So you will get the another new matrix in terms of y, that is f of y. Then do the multiplication of f of x into f of y. And the next step, just replace the x by the x plus y. You will get the given matrix in terms of f of x plus y. So then compare the product of these two and this result, whether it is true or not. Okay. So the given matrix, write the first that one. Given f of x equals to, what is the matrix? Cos x minus sin x, it is 0. Sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1. This is the matrix here, students. Okay. So now f of y, So it becomes cos y minus sin y 0 sin y cos y 0 0 0 1. So obtain the f of y also. So now do the product of these two matrices, that is f of x into f of y. Okay, so f of x into f of y. I will write directly here. First row with the first column, cos x into sin, cos x into cos y. So what is the result? Cos x into cos y minus sin y, sorry, minus sin x into plus sin y, that becomes minus sin x into sin y. 0 into 0, it is 0 itself. Okay, next first row with second column, cos y into minus sin x, sin x into cos y. First row with first column over, cos x into cos y, cos x into cos y, minus sin x into plus sin y, that is sin minus sin x into sin y, 0 into 0. Okay, no need to write. Next, first row with second column, cos x into minus sin y, that is minus, okay, 1 second students, is there no space? Write it once. Okay, f of x into f of y. So I will write the matrix, no need to get confusion. Cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0 0 0 1, and the f of y is cos y minus sin y 0, sin y cos y 0 0 0 1. So see the value here, students. Cos x into cos y, so cos x cos y, minus sin x into minus sin y, minus sin x into sin y. So you have to add, so plus into minus, it becomes minus. 0 into 0, it is 0, no need to write. Cos x into minus sin y, minus cos x into sin y, minus sin x into minus cos y, minus first row with first column, cos x into minus sin y, that is cos x minus sin y, minus sin x into cos y, minus sin x into cos y. Next, 0 into 0. Okay, next first row last column, cos x into 0 0, minus sin x 0 0, 0 into 0, that is 0. So last value is 0. Okay, next second row with first column, sin x into cos y, sin x into cos y, cos x into sin y, plus cos x into sin y. Next, sin x into minus sin y, minus sin x into sin y, cos x into cos y, plus cos x into cos y. Next, it is 0. By sin x into 0, cos x into 0, 0 into 1. Okay, next 0 into 0, 0 into cos y, 0, 0 into sin y, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into this value, 0 into minus sin y, 0 into cos y, 1 into 0, it is 0. Next, 0 into 0, 0 into 0, 1 into 1. So all adding that one, you get the 1 here, students. Okay, so just observe the thing here, students. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Can I write cos of x plus y? compound angle formula students. Transformation formula, compound angle formula, identities, all those formulas are you learned in the first year. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Cos of x plus y. So if I take the minus common here, so you will get the plus here. Cos x sin y minus sin x cos y. So taking minus common, so you will get the minus sin of x plus y, it is 0. Again here, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. So you get the sin of x plus y. Next, minus, okay, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Again it is cos of x plus y, it is 0, 0, 0, 1. So take it as equation number 1 students. Okay. So f of x into f of y is this matrix. So now I have to find the RHS value. What is that? F of x plus y. So in the given matrix, just replace x by x plus y. So what is the result here students? Cos of x plus y minus sin of x plus y 0, sin of x plus y cos of x plus y 0, 0, 0, 1. Take it as the equation number 2. From 1 and 2, we obtain, what to obtain here students? F of x into f of y. Observe the value here students. Cos xy, cos of x plus y, minus sin xy, minus sin of x plus y, 0, 0, sin of x plus y, sin of x plus y, cos of x plus y, 0, cos of x plus y, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. That is equal to f of x plus y. Easy one, just making the easy calculation. Okay, next problem students, exercise 3.2, 14th main, first and second problem here. What they asked, just show that. They asked for the show that. Okay, I will write simultaneously LHS is equal to LHS is not equal to RHS. Okay. 5 into 2, that is 10, minus 1 into 3, minus 3, 5 into 1, 5, minus 1 into 4, minus 4. It is what students here? 6 into 2, that is 12, 7 into 3, plus 21, 6 into 1, 6, 7 into 4, 28. This is the LHS. Sorry students. 10 minus 3, that is 7. 5 minus 4, that is 1. 12 plus 21, that is 12 plus 21, that is 33. 28 plus 6, that is 24. Okay. Next, RHS. What is the RHS here students? 2 into 5, that is 10. 1 into 6, that is plus 6. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. 4 into 7, sorry, 1 into 7, that is plus 7. 3 into 5, 15, plus 4 into 6, that is 24. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 4 into 7, plus 28. So, what is the result students? 10 plus 6, that is 16, minus 2 plus 7, plus 5. 15 plus 24, that is 39. minus 3, 28, 25. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS is result verified because 7, 1, 33, 24 is the LHS value, 16, 5, 39, 25 is the RHS matrix. Even though they are of the same order, the values or entries of the both the matrices are different. Okay, here LHS. Okay, first row with the first column. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. 2 into 0, 0. 3 into 2, that is 6. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. 3 into 3, plus 9. 1 into 0, 0. 2 into 1, plus 2. 3 into 4, that is 12. Okay. 0 into minus 1, 0. 1 into 0, 0. 0 into 2 is 0. 0 into 1, 0. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. 0 into 3, that is 0. 0 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. 0 into 4, 0. Okay. Next. One side students. Yes. Next, 1 into minus 1, minus 1. 1 into 0, 0. 0 into 2, 0. Okay. 1 into 1. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. 0 into 3, that is 0. Next, 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. 4, 0 into 4, 0. What is the result here, students? Minus 6, sorry, minus 1 plus 6, minus 5. 9 minus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, that is 8. Next, 2 plus 12, that is 14. It is 0, it is minus 1, that is plus 1. Next, it is minus 1. This is plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, it is 0, it is plus 1. This is the LHS part. What is the RHS here, students? Okay. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. 1 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. Okay. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2. 1 into 1, plus 1. 0 into 1 is 0, no need to write. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. 1 into 0, 0. 0 into 0, 0. Okay. Next, minus 1, okay. Second row, first column, 0 into 1, 0. Minus 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. 0 into 2, 0. Minus 1 into plus 1, minus 1. 1 into 1, plus 1. Next, 0 into 3, 0. Minus 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 0, 0. 2 into 1, 2. 3 into 0, 0. 4 into 1, plus 4. 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 1, plus 3. 4 into 1, plus 4. Okay. Next, 2 into 3, 6. 3 into 0, 0. 4 into 0, 0. So, we will get the just 6 here. What is the RHS? Minus 1, minus 1, minus 3. 1, 2, 0. Sorry, here minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. It is 0. Sorry. 2 plus 4, 6. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. It is 6. This is the RHS. So, from these two values, obtain LHS is not equal to RHS. Okay? Why? Even though we are doing the product A into B, B into A. Why it does not exist? Already we know. Matrix multiplication is not a commutative. Even though if it is, you have to make the commutative, you need to choose the diagonal matrix only. Already I gave that property. I also gave the examples. Taking the, I took the two diagonal matrix A and B, then AB equal to BA, I examine that also. Okay, this is the different.